Hi guys, we're going to make a strawberry martini this afternoon. I have already pureed about 4 strawberries in here. I just used a magic bullet. So super simple to do. We're going to use a Belvedere. You can use whatever vodka you like. We're using strawberry balsamic from the shop, and we're using a little simple syrup. You can also make your own. It's very simple, just a little bit of sugar and water, but I happen to have some in the fridge, so we're going to go with that. So we're going to add some ice to our shaker. We're gonna add the pureed strawberries. We're adding 2.5 shots of vodka. 1, 2.5. And then we're adding 1/2 shot of the strawberry balsamic. Add a little bit more strawberry flavor in there. That's gonna be yummy. And then we're adding a shot of the simple syrup, 1/2 shot of simple syrup. There we go. We're gonna put this together. We're gonna shake it up. See what we come up with here. Get our martini glass ready. Ooh, look how nice and smooth that looks. It looks so yummy and refreshing. Ooh, that's a big martini. We're gonna garnish it with a little strawberry, and then we will take a little sip of this and see how we like it. Cheers. Really fresh, nice and refreshing, perfect for around the pool. Hope you guys enjoy it.